Skydive Dubai. How are you today?
I'm good. I'm totally excited.
Yeah, what about? Tell me why you're here.
Because I love adventure and I wanted to jump for a long time.
Okay, so it's first time?
Yeah.
Cool. And you're here today, so you feel ready?
Finally, yeah.
You understood the briefing? Was it all clear?
Yeah, all clear.
Yeah, if you have any questions before we go, now is the time.
Nothing, hopefully.
Yeah, you're all good. If you want to say something to the camera, maybe?
No, thanks for this.
Okay, let's go have some fun. Alright buddy, Asish, welcome back.
Hi.
How was your jump?
Yeah, that was awesome.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Would you do it again?
Obviously, for sure.
Alright, thank you for jumping with Skydive Dubai. See you next time.